Hello my friends, I'm going to be doing a flip cup today with Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paints. I like to extend them, but I'm not doing that this time. I'm using them straight out of the bottles. And I'll just tell you the colors as I put them in the cup. Phthalo Blue, Light Blue, Metallic Purple, beautiful, Aqua Green, running low on this one, very low. I think I have another one though. Magenta Deep, I'm going to grab some metallic white. I think I want some of that too. Metallic white. And repeat. I don't really need to be neat about putting it in here since it's going to be a flip cup. Let me just dump this all out. I have an idea after I flip the cup, but rather than tell you my idea, I'll just do it. A little more phthalo turquoise and this marvelous metallic purple. Okay, that's plenty for this 12 by 12 inch canvas. Oops, I forgot my other glove. Here it is. I guess I could have done this first. So pretty. These paints are really, really fun to work with and experiment with. A lot of them are transparent, and so you get some nice layering. And I love to mix the colors as well and come up with new shades, but this time I'm keeping it really simple with colors right out of the bottles. Okay. Now, I don't know if you can see how shimmery that white is. It's very pretty, kind of a light shimmery layer over the other colors. All right, now I'm just going to go get full coverage. And then I'm going to bring you in really close while I do something else to it. Okay. Let's see, I think I'm done with my gloves. So I'm going to take them off. Now we're gonna zoom in. Let's see, maybe I'll do this. I know you can't see the whole canvas right now. Boy, you can really see my weird light reflected thing up there, but oh well. Well, here, let me do this first. Show you before. Oh, those nice translucent colors. So I've brought you in. You can't see the whole canvas, but I want you to see the effect, what's going to happen when I hit it with some CRC heavy-duty silicone, because the result is instantaneous and very dramatic. So are you ready? Just one spritz, I think, should do it. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. At least on the side, it's being very effective. It's where it's thinner. There's probably more paint in the center. Do I want to tilt? Or should I spritz it once more? And I took my gloves off. I am going to I'm going to tilt a little more, maybe off the middle there. But you see what happened on the sides? Look at those fun little tiny cells. I'd like to see more of that in the center area, so I'm thinning out the paint a little bit, well, not much. Okay, I'm going to spritz it one more time in the center. Maybe 2 times. Okay. Isn't that fun? I think it's fascinating. From just a couple, 3 spritzes of that CRC. And it leaves very little residue on the canvas. All right, now I'm going to zoom back out again to normal. That's pretty normal. And now I'm going to drizzle some black lines on there. So I'm just going to use the black. I'm going to pour it in a little bit into this cup. It's a plastic cup though, and I don't have I don't have any paper cups, which I could squeeze into a spout. So instead I'm going to just put some blue tape on here. Hopefully this will do the trick. I don't know. Hopefully that'll give me a nice skinny little line. I'm going to do kind of the thing I did with this, what I called the stained glass deal the other day. So here we go. Just going to quickly and haphazardly run black lines on here. Now, I'm wondering if they're not going to stay. They're going to kind of react to the CRC underneath there, it looks like. I was hoping they wouldn't, but not so much where the paint is thicker. But I still think it's kind of fun. Yeah, it really reacted there. What else could I do to this? Maybe I'll try some swirls. I'm just experimenting today, just going for it. Let's see. Let's try. Let's see what happens. Just a big one here. Make this one bigger. I don't know. I think I'm done messing with it. It was fun. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, my friends.